make and model of your bike?
It's a Triumph Street Triple 765R.
What year?
2024.
2024. Did you just buy it?
I just bought it, yes.
0 mile?
21.
21?
Yeah.
Those are like service miles, right?
Right.
Okay. So what made you decide you wanted to get a Triumph?
Always wanted one. I mean, I have my other Triumph right here that my brother-in-law is riding. So.
Okay. Oh, so you've always been a Triumph guy. So this is your bike number what?
What, 4?
Bike number 4. Okay. So you have a lot of. That means you have a lot of riding experience. You know what I mean?
Really, I took a break.
You took a break from riding?
Yep.
Okay. How does it fit you? And why did you choose this triple style versus a different Triumph style? What was the reasoning behind it?
I've always liked it. I'm a little older now, so I'd rather have a naked bike than a full sports fairing bike.
Bike, okay.
So, and I've always liked the 765.
The 765?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful bike, definitely. You can't go wrong with the looks. Do you take your significant other on the bike also?
If I had one, I would.
Okay. Okay.
But as of right now, no, it's just me.
Just you for right now. I like the helmet. It's, you know, you got a Cardo on it too. That's cool. So how long are you planning on keeping this since you just bought it? What is your, usually do you keep bikes for 4 or 5 years, or how does it go with you?
I haven't even been riding for that long since I've gotten back. So
Oh, okay.
hopefully I can
Give you
keep
some
it for a
time.
while, yeah.
You know, yeah. You know. What did you pick this bike up for?
Range up close to what they had posted on the sticker.
Oh, okay, okay. I don't know what the sticker is on this, like
9,
10?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I meant. You know what I mean? Not the exact amount, just
Right,
like, you know, well, how much did you buy it for? Meaning like, oh, around 10,000, 9,000. Yeah. That's what I meant. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, cool. So are you going to do some of the work yourself, like the maintenance? You're going to bring it here?
I'm going to bring it here for the first time, but the rest is going to be me.
Oh, okay. So you know how to do oil changes and all that? You've done that on your previous bike?
Yep.
Cool. What kind of warranty did you get on the bike?
Just your standard warranty.
What is that on the Triumph?
To be honest with you, I do not know.
You should know.
I know.
You should find out, you know? You should ask them that question. If it, whatever warranty it came with, did they not give you any warranty options?
They did, but I usually don't.
Okay.
Do any of
Because,
that stuff.
okay. Yeah, I don't know what warranty the Triumph comes with, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But the bike is great, you know what I mean?
Thank you.
What is your riding style? Highway, back streets, or what?
Not highways.
Not highways?
Mostly back roads.
Back
just
roads?
Regular roads. Yep.
Okay.